Okay, because we have two tenses in future. So let's understand the main differences between the two. The first is the name suggests future proche. Okay, so it's more about something that is going to happen immediately. Okay, in near future. Okay, something that is already planned or that is going to happen. Okay, so roughly we translate it as going to, going to do, going to play, okay, or going to eat. Okay, so I'm going to do this, I'm going to do that. That is future proche, and here it's like will. Okay, so I wouldn't say that this is always true. Okay, if you translate it, it will be always correct. No, but this is how it's roughly translated. Now let's come to the differences. Future proche is more about future immediate, immediate future. Okay. Uh, yes, we can say je vais venir chez toi. Okay. So here I want to say that I will be doing this action, okay, in near future. Okay, here it is actually loin dans le futur, distant future. Okay. Je viendrai chez toi. Okay, it can be after a month, after a week, anytime. Yes, but this does not guarantee that you'll use it correctly. Okay, future immediate and loin dans le futur, because that's not the only difference. The second difference is equally important. That is the certain, how certain the action is, okay, or how sure you are that the action is going to happen. That will decide futur proche and futur simple. So, pour des actions qui sont certaines, oui, ou sûres, okay, ou prévu, planned actions, the sure ones where we know this is going to happen. Okay. Uh, Here it is something that is more like a prediction or something that is going to happen, but we are not sure about it. Okay, we have not planned it. In that case, we use future simple. Okay, maybe because it is in distant future, so we don't know when it's going to happen. We are not sure about it. Okay, or it's a prediction. In that case, we use future simple. Okay, donc action, on peut dire incertaine, pas sûr, okay, ou prévision, prediction. That's how we use future simple. And then there are two other differences. You can say this one is more dynamic, so it's more used while speaking, and more French people use it while speaking. And this one is more used while writing. Okay, there is no rule again, but that's what is generally done. Okay, and here it's plus informel. Okay, et c'est plus formel. Voilà, c'est ça. Okay, and there is no fixed boundary that beyond this, if it goes beyond a day or a week, I'll use future simple, and in this case I'll use future proche. No. Okay, there are many cases where any of these can be used. Okay, they are interchangeable. Okay, so we don't have a fixed rule or a fixed time limit that till here we have future proche and then future simple, nothing like that. Okay, so you'll learn it slowly how to use it in which case. But I can tell you one thing, that if we are saying something like un jour, right? So we are not sure which day, when it will come. One day I'll do this. So we use future sample. Okay. Even in this case, where we have when I will do this, when this will happen, we generally use future sampler. Okay. Then even in this case, like as soon as, after dès que, and something that is actually in distant future, like dans 10 ans, dans 5 ans, dans 1 an, okay, and which is not planned, we use future sampler. Okay, so this difference is very important. Okay. So yes, in these cases, use future sampler. Okay, and I already told you à l'oral and à l'écrit, so that is also a difference. And when you talk about something like you have planned, like tomorrow you're going to do something, this evening you are going to do something, like I'm going to watch a movie, or tomorrow I'm going to go out with my friends. Okay, we use future proche. Okay, and for things like after a year I will shift, or maybe you think that France will win this World Cup, right? So it's a prediction. It's not something that will happen, but it's your prediction. Okay, what you think will happen. So in that case, also you use future sampler. Okay, so again, don't worry a lot about the difference, but you should know basically that if it's near future and you're sure it's going to happen, then we use future proche, and if it's actually far or distant future, then and if it's not sure, okay, if it's not surely going to happen, or it's a prediction, in that case we use future sampler, and I've given you certain indicators. Okay, that will help you distinguish. But as you use it more, you'll get it. And as I told you, uh, it's interchangeable in many cases. Okay, you can use any of them. So that's it. But learn it well. Le futur sampler, an important concept. C'est tout. Merci beaucoup.